The next adventure was a completely new and unique experience. For the following 2 weeks, we were on a farmhouse in the middle of a tropical rainforest, 3 hours to the west of Rio de Janeiro and 20 kilometers to the nearest town with any kind of civilization. For the first few days, it felt quite difficult to just let go of the busy city life. But soon enough, we got used to it and started to connect with nature and make the most out of these rare moments. It was the best decision of our journey so far. Every morning we'd wake up around 5:30 by the sound of the tropical rainforest coming alive. Sebastian and I were in charge of the daily cooking lunch and dinner for 9 vegetarian people. We had total freedom during cooking, using whatever the nature provided us, whatever we felt like cooking. We also helped participate in making a huge treehouse. Mornings were always very productive times to get as much work done as possible before the sun would roar in the sky and reach up to 40 degrees. As chefs, there are not many better feelings than waking up in the morning, walking a few meters into a local homegrown organic garden and just choosing what inspires you and the nature has to offer. For the last 8 years, we have both been working in fine dining restaurants in very stressful and busy environments, with little sleep and rest. So for us it was very special, where we could connect with ourselves and enjoy the smaller things in life. After experiencing some mind-blowing sunsets, We'd all relax together in the evening while enjoying a lovely meal and sharing stories and experiences together. This is the perfect timing for a break before we head to Rio de Janeiro, the biggest carnival in the world. Until then, enjoy these peaceful images before the crazy life starts again.